guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and in today's look I did my first fall daytime look. I'm gonna call this a fall daytime look because of course fall orange, you know, that type of thing. And I really loved how this turned out. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. I very rarely do an all matte look, and this is my all matte look, fall look. I hope you all enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, let's get into it. Alright guys, let's get into it. I already did my eyebrows, and I'm going to prime my face with the Milk Hydrate Grip Primer, and I'm going to go in with the foundation. And today I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the color Nut Brown C7. And I'm using just a flat top kabuki brush to blend that out. And I'm going to do a couple of layers because I want to build the coverage up of this foundation. I had a lot of dark spots and everything else, so I just did a couple of layers to build this foundation up. Okay, next I'm going to highlight with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Concealer in the color Cream Caramel. And I'm going to contour with the same Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Cocoa. And as my concealer sits, I'm going to blend out my contour and then blend out my concealer. I'm going to be using the MercierTranslucent powder. I'm going to use my sponge and press the powder into my face, and then I'm going to bake with it as well. And then I'm going to go into this next highlight and contour palette in the color Hollow. Yes, Hollow, and set my contour. I think that's how you read that. I hope that's right. It's the darkest shade in the palette, so that's that. Okay, so then I'm going to dust the bake off and then blush up with the ColourPop X Shayla blush in the color Construct, and set my face, well not set my face, but spray my face with the Smashbox Prime Water. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use the Magic Mini by Juvia's Opposites Attract palette, and my transition I use Nana, and the orange that you see on my that I'm using right now to darken up is called Zakaya, which is such a beautiful name. Oh my gosh, I love that name. And then I'm going to use Kessie in a second. So you're going to see what I do with the light nude color in the palette. So I used those three, Nana, Zakaya, and Kessie. I did an all matte look today, no shimmer, and I really like how this turned out. Okay, so I'm going to do a wing, and I'm using the Lady Gaga Haas Laboratories. I don't know how to say that, but her wing liner, or I'm sorry, liquid liner is bomb. Like, this is one of my favorites. It's probably going to be one of my favorites that I record. This liquid liner is bomb. And then I'm going to prep my lashes. I don't think you will be able to see this in this video, but I prep my lashes with the Lily Lashes Triple X mascara, and that mascara too is great. Okay, so I'm highlighting with this Milani strobe light highlighter and glowing, and then I'm going to do a lower lash line in that transition color. Spray my face and line my lips with this NYX brown lip liner, and then I'm going to use the Essence Color Boost Mad About Matte liquid lipstick in the color Partner in Crime. I added a buttered gloss by NYX, and that is the finished look. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alright guys, so that is it. This is my look that I freaking love it. Like, I can't stop looking into the monitor, into my mirror, into this mirror. I have mirrors all over me. I can't stop looking at it. I hope you all enjoyed this look. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for my next video. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, and I'm getting my nails done this Friday, so. Okay. I'm getting my nails done this Friday. See y'all in my next one. Bye.